That's why Coloring Business Builder is such a game changer. It's the world's first AI-powered push-button creator that lets you build entire coloring books in just minutes. With Coloring Business Builder, you can access a massive library of high-quality coloring pages across hot niches like mandalas, animals, fantasy, kids, flowers, holidays, and more. Add professional covers or design your own. Let the built-in AI write optimized titles and descriptions that help your books sell faster. Export instantly to a KDP-ready file so you can upload and start selling right away. And the best part? You get full commercial rights, which means you keep 100% of the profits. No monthly fees, no complicated software. Just log in, click, and publish. So, if you're looking for a simple and proven way to start earning money online with coloring books, this software is exactly what you need. And right now, it's available at a special launch price, but it's going up fast. Click the link in the description to grab your copy today and start creating your own profitable coloring books in just minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside the Coloring Business Builder.